What's happening, people? I was gonna have a rain day today and stay indoors, but I'm bored already, so I thought I'd get outside. Crap weather as usual, but I'm gonna have a go at fitting this wiper delete bung kit. eBay Delight special. Right, so I didn't really know what I was expecting, but this is the wiper delete bung kit. Oh, glass look kit. It appears they've sent 27 glue. I guess that's 27 grams of mastic in a baggie. But we move. Let's get down, remove the wiper motor and fit the bung. Right, so first things first, we're gonna have to take the trim panel off and have a proper look what it is to take the motor off. Right, so we've took the trim off, guys, and it does seem pretty easy, obviously. 1, 2, 3 10mm nuts, and looks like the motor just slides on out. I've took the plug out. The rear wiper jet hose has been twisted in a knot previously because it was squirting into the boot. But yeah, that couldn't have been any easier. Literally 3 bolts. Motor slid out of the window. Now just gotta remove the old rubber grommet like so, and hopefully clean it up, silicone the new cap on. Job's a good one. Right, so if you place it in from the outside, it looks absolutely stupid. It's got a big step. It just isn't right. But this little groove is the actual depth of the window. And if you put it in from behind and up in, it sits flush against the window. I'm just gonna squeeze my little bag of mastic all down to the end, nip the end off, and make a little piping bag. Happy days. Simple job for a simple mind on a simple day. Wiper delete complete.